Hi guys, I wanted to show you a little bit about these HAARP machines that's on the ground they call radar systems. These two islands are putting out waves. You can see the machine turned on, and I'm going to show you the machine on this island right here. It's a gigantic machine that's doing this. Their technology is incredible technology they are using to manipulate hurricanes. So I want to show you a spin they're putting on with the machine type of machines that they're using. But let me show you this island and the machine that's being used to create these waves. Google Earth will show you the actual machine on this island that is doing these so-called gravity waves, but it's their machine turned on. You can see the other island working as well up top there. But let's go to Google Earth so we can show you their technology. And there's other places in Antarctica I can show you as well, the same machine. All right, this is on that island. The island we were just looking at on Earth. That is not for radar. The street view. I don't know how many's on this island. This is the first one I found. You would think if it was radar, it would be higher. But look at the one in Antarctica here. It's on the ground as well. Even though they have really high winds. I don't think this is for radar. It's the machine to help melt the ice. There's other places where it's just tons of these equipment all over Antarctica as well, and besides these islands that they're on. Here's the other island here. There's one on this island. You wouldn't think you would need so many radars with islands so close together. You can see it working here. It's not that hard to tell. It's working. See it waves working right there. This machine that's turned on. I'm really silent. But here is Antarctica. I can show you where this one is right by stuff. These machines are all over the United States. That's a very tip. Very itchy today. I want to show you something else that's very suspicious. Here's the infrared radar. See how there's no convection right here? None at all. It's all out here. This is weather. Usually hurricanes don't create a spin before they start. This is their machine work. Let me show you the machine and put this in action. This is them creating a hurricane, man-made storm. Best way to create a hurricane is to start a spin in the atmosphere without convection. Here's the visible satellite. You can see their waves working, pushing it. The machine's sitting right here and it's spinning like crazy, electricity, energy coming out of it. Let me show you the machines they actually are using for this technology to create hurricanes. This is the machine. They call them missile defense system. Mobile hurricane maker. There's no tug pushing this boat. They have many, many, many different kinds. Also, these are chemtrail vessels, chemical producing vessels. It looks like forest fires on the ocean. See them working. They're not for us. Here's another one. Chemtrail vessels, putting out chemtrails. You'll see them. It looks like forest fires on the ocean. Very hard to find these photos here. Stand by. These are not forest fires on the ocean. I would say it's dozens of ships. Sometimes daytime heating does that too, but I see a lot of it not natural. This is not a natural storm system being created here at all. There's nothing natural about it. All this is man-made. You can really tell the difference how it reflects the light in the satellite. Very high altitude spraying. So see what we got going over here in the Caribbean. They've been working hard on us. Heavy, heavy spraying in Florida today. If I ain't mistaken, these all look like, well, very close to the computer I have today. HAARP waves or chemtrails. Remember I was saying it looks like forest fires on the ocean? Seems odd how it just looks more like fire. How much could a tanker hold of their chemtrail chemicals? 47 different chemicals, I believe it was, for creating weather that they produce. This is our next hurricane they're trying to make. I'm just rambling now, guys. I was showing y'all some serious stuff there. The radar and your cell phone towers are not for us. But the HAARP waves in California, Nevada. The machine is turned on, guys. I've seen patents go back